I can't.
Let's take it.
Here's your knife, and they're getting close. Find your hell starting to drop, look for a flash. One quick tug will set you right. Something's wrong. The steamer's slowing down. That wheel. Come on. Ah!
White men turned savages. Where are they from?
Again. We got keelboats coming up ahead. Someone get to that cannon on the keelboat tied to us. Get on that keelboat. Get up here, kid. I need your help.
They must have come from the fort. There's dozens of them.
Get up here, Cole. Use your maul. Fine shooting, Cole. Here they come. I'll take this side. You man the other.
Prepare to go right at it. Come on.
Still got some left in me.
They just keep coming.
They're coming from both sides. Help me out, Cole.
Too late. That preacher killed her. Son of a bitch is leading the ambush.
Son, listen close, because there ain't much time. I've done my best to raise you right, but all your life I've been lying to you. The boilers are gonna blow. Quick, take this. That's a token to the Alhambra, the cat house in Dodge City. Go there and ask for Jenny.
I ain't leaving you, Pa.
God damn it, that's what I'm trying to tell you. I ain't your father. Now, go!
Well, Reverend, were my orders carried out?
With a vengeance.
And the missing item?
It couldn't be recovered, sir.
You failed me?
No, sir. The whore had it stowed inside the safe and it sank to the bottom of the river.
Failure was not an option. Price must be paid.
Oh, what's this?
Give
me that back. Meant no harm, friend. I thought for certain you were dead. I kicked you 3 times.
Who are you?
Friends call me Honest Tom.
I need to get upriver. The steamboat's been ambushed.
The Morning Star? Hell, it was 3 days ago. Were you aboard? Oh, hate to tell you, friend, but no one survived. Renegades got 'em all. Scalped every man, woman, and child. Bloody savages.
Ned, where's Dodge City from here?
Through the pass, about a day's ride to the ferry boat.
That horse for sale?
In a hurry, huh? I don't blame you. If I had me a token to the Alhambra, I'd be in a hurry, too. You, look to be a sporting man. Care to wager? Go ahead, kid. Stick your toes in the stirrups. You have ridden before, have you not? All righty. Ready, friend? Being honest as I am, I'll give you a chance to run around a bit before we wager. First, let's try some sprinting. Press the sprint button to spur your horse. Fine and dead. Get. Notice that burst of speed at the start? Make that a kick in the ass. Worrying too much could even kill your horse. Then he'll be real bad. All right, let's see you attempt some jumps. Fine and dead. Rest your spurs for a spell, and the horse will revive. Show me if you got the goods, kid. Okay, easy enough. Do it again. Any cuss worth his britches ought to be able to whip me in a horse race. Now let's see how good you really are. Let's race. Facing the same direction as me. 3 laps round the meadow. Get ready to race. Ready, go! must use your trample or skid attack in order to get credit for killing the buffalo. That's what. Pablo. Nice attack. Okay, let's see if you can shoot more of these bottles than me. Try shooting at them from horseback. Ready? You whip me on this part, then I'm gonna have to give you my horse. Them pesky wolves are back. You can use a spur or a trample to scatter them. Kill all the wolves! Well, kid, you win fair and square. Be kind to her, will you?
I will.
She's been a good animal.
Thanks. Come on.
God damn it, it took you long enough.
So much for your name.
You really think I'd give up my ride without a fight? Let's kill this bastard. He's got an Alhambra token on him.
Much obliged, Tom. If I pass this way again, I'll be sure to throw some dirt on you.